YouTube, what up? It's your boy R Bills coming at you with another YouTube video. And today in this video, it's Thursday and it's Happy Thanksgiving. Everybody say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Why'd you take the hood off?
Because I look cuter.
Okay, anyways. So, we on the way over to my wife's family's house to have some Thanksgiving food, right? So everybody knows this is the moment of truth. If you've been talking all year, talking about, oh, I'm the best dressing cooker, ain't nobody making a sloppier macaroni cheese than me, and all of that. This is the proving grounds today for it, right? So today is gonna be a slight vlog, slight mukbang, and the mukbang is just gonna be me critiquing these folks' food today.
Ain't no critiquing, and ain't no folks. These ain't no these folks.
It's mommy's family.
Exactly. This is our family's food, and it ain't no critiquing. Don't come in there judgmental. Just taste it and give your honest opinion.
That's what we doing. If the food trash, I'm saying it's trash. If it's good, then it's good. Point blank, period. Like, I mean,
I know. I thought you were saying critiquing like you about to like you like a judge, like critique it. Like
so
that.
you're definitely gonna edit it out because you're being pointless. So thank you.
You don't have to. That's fine. Edit me out. I'm just talking.
So, anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna judge this food from these people, these folks, as previously stated.
They're not folks.
And then we're going to enjoy our time, and we're going to just have a good time. So, stay tuned. Come on, son. All right, so we going in right now. Smell good in here so far. So right here, we're looking at Shari, and she's definitely hot under the collar just because what just went on in the car. So yeah. All right, YouTube, moment of truth.
Show my food.
Here, you got that.
That look good. It looks pretty good, don't it?
It look good.
That's Ross. He got everything on there. He got a lot of ham. I tried the turkey, so I got turkey on here, mac, dressing, green beans. And Ron got ham instead of turkey, sweet potatoes.
I got turkey under there.
Oh, you got turkey?
I got it all.
All right.
All right, YouTube.
So what we tasting first? We're gonna taste the same thing together?
Yeah, that's cool. Let's do your dressing.
I didn't put none of my dressing on my plate. Actually, I only put my grandma's.
It's not a good sign.
You taste my dressing. You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, my grandma's dressing. I missed this. Taste my grandma's next.
This must be her on the East Coast right here.
Yeah, he got 2 different dressings on his plate.
Tastes a little bit more.
Oh, I love my grandma's dressing.
Yeah, grandma got you beat with that little
Yeah.
whatever meat and
gizzards
egg.
and all that stuff. She put in
got
hers.
you beat with that.
Yeah. All right, what we tasting next?
Macaroni.
Okay, this is my mom's macaroni. Let's see. She did say she didn't have evaporated milk. She had to use regular. And she didn't care for it as much.
And you can taste it. It's okay.
It's good. Like, with your sweet potatoes next to it,
But
it's good.
honestly, with macaroni, I like my macaroni having black pepper on it, and I didn't grab none.
Ooh, there's a lot of black pepper in here. You didn't taste the pepper? Okay, what you
That's the
taste?
mama's. That's a different one.
No, I put my mama's on yours. This one.
Oh.
What's you didn't
Oh.
know?
But them green beans, that potato I just had?
That's good. Okay, now we tasting. Ronnie just eating. I'm
Oh.
tasting the green beans and the potatoes now.
Oh, no, these green beans, though. Yeah, she broke a foot off in there. Definitely broke a foot off.
That's good.
All right, this sweet potatoes. My baby made these sweet
They're
potatoes.
my sweet potatoes. All right, let's see.
And
Ain't
they
no,
soft.
I didn't hear nobody complaining, so.
And they soft.
Oh, those sweet potatoes good.
That's banging. I don't even believe you really made it.
Don't play me. That's good.
Gonna try this ham right quick.
And I got turkey. I didn't get ham, but it's fried turkey. That ham go this.
So at this very moment that Shari's talking my ear off, I'm not listening to too much
Oh my
right now
God.
because this food
That deep
really
fried
is
turkey.
that banging. So like right now, I'm just eating. It's not even about the video anymore.
Oh, I'm about to smash everything good.
Well, what you do to the turkey? What
He deep peanut. He fried it in peanut oil,
That's
but it's
banging.
banging.
It's like sweet.
Yes, that's banging. All right, Loie, come on, so you can eat. Loie, you want to play? You trying to play with them big boys?
No, I want him playing with the kids.
I know, go
Them,
get
them boys bad.
Loie?
He could play. He could play with that younger one, but not them. Man, so overall,
All right, babe. You good?
food banging.
You don't need me no more?
Food banging. All right, YouTube. So it's the day after Thanksgiving. I couldn't really finish the video at the house yesterday because I ended up eating too much and just getting too sleepy. Way too much turkey. But overall, man, the food was banging. Like it was definitely fire. I'm trying to think, was there anything I really didn't like? Someone brought another pan of macaroni and cheese on my second plate, and I'm like, I'm cool. The first macaroni was alright. It was decent, definitely decent. And then like somebody brought another pan of sweet potatoes. So my girl made the first batch that I had. So that was banging because I can't date no girl I can't be with no woman that can't cook. It's just not happening. So her sweet potatoes was banging. But then, like, her aunt brought the second batch. And I don't know if they tasted good. I just looked at them. I was like, nah. Nah, we not even going to play with it. So, like I said, overall, the food was great. I had a good time watching some football, hanging out with my wife and my kids. And last night we just ended with some hot chocolate and a movie. It was like really a good time. It was just a good time. And then today I woke up at almost like 10. You know what I mean? That's kind of late for me. Like I hate waking up like late. I like being up early and getting to it. But yeah, so I hope everybody else had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed. If you went Black Friday shopping this morning, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got all your deals, all your TVs and everything. But today I am going to definitely do something with this. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'm out.